Ajamu. This Oriki is not very common. It is not popular today. And that actually is why this breakdown is very, very necessary. Because the reason why it isn't popular is because many Yoruba people have been disconnected from the meaning of a name. People don't give it to their children because they are unaware of the depth of this name. Your eyes will be opened to that depth after watching this video. Ajamu, what does it mean? It is actually a variation of the popular Oriki, Alamu. Let us break it down. Ajamu. There are two main words in that name, the verbs ja and mu. What is the meaning of the word ja? It simply means to fight. When you struggle for something, it can also mean to quarrel, but essentially it means to fight, to contend for something. Mu means to take, not necessarily to receive. That would be ba. But mu means to lay hold of something, to take something, to seize something, to grab something, to grasp it. So let us bring it all together. Who is an Ajamu? The A that starts that name is a noun maker whose meaning can be said to be he who does what? He who shall fight over a prize and then take it. Ọmọ tí ó ja Ajamu. Ajamu kini? Ajamolu, Ajaye, Ajaṣẹ́gun lọmọ yóò máa jà. The child who shall fight over a prize, over a trophy, over a title, over anything good, and end up taking it. He will end up laying hold of what he has fought for. This is a name given to a child who is expected to never be a loser. Ó máa jà fún rere, ó sì máa rí mú. His efforts in life shall not go unrewarded. An Ajamu is a child expected to always get the upper hand. He is always one step ahead. He always has an edge. And that is what enables him to fight and end up winning. To fight and end up taking that which he has fought for. That is an Ajamu. Ọmọ tó máa jà, tó sì máa mú. He shall fight over a prize and end up taking it. Wàá Ṣere.